Pyros. Wanted to give you a stash update. Sorry it's been a while. I've been working a lot, and I got the rest of all this master stuff earlier in the week. But let's take a look at what we got. Also, not to mention, I got some new slaps. I'm going to do some for a giveaway. And then I'll include that. I believe I've got 2 extra large hoodies left. I've got another one of those clown posters for the giveaway. We got some other slaps too. You got some Euro stuff up there. You got the brand, Big Bully for the streets. You got the clown, the old Universal and Firework logo. Of course, you got the Nunya Smoking Alien. Yeah, one of my personal favorites there. Yeah, we'll do a giveaway at the end of this month. Anybody that wants to be entered in the giveaway for the clown poster, some hoodies, and slaps, just enter in the comments below, but make sure you're subscribed to me, Explosive, and Y&K Gibbs. That's the only stipulation I have for that. I know it's been a while since my last stash update, so here, let me start with the shell comparison that I'm going to do. Right here we got these 8-inch King Cobras. Look at those. It's nice to get my hands on these. Have my brother help out with those. Appreciate you. Alright. I've also got these Loco shells I'm going to do with the 8 inches in the demo. These ones were color though, in that box. Then of course, you got these bad boys. The Super 7 series, very nice. So you've got 12 color and you've got 12 salute. And I'm sure you know what brand these are. You got your other 8-inch. Those bad boys. 8-inch by the brand. Look at these bad boys here. Nice to finally be able to go pick these up. Been really busy with work, working a lot of hours, so bear with me, Pyros. We got some new rockets. Look at these. I really was thinking that these were going to be definitely bigger than they are. I thought you Pyros would like to see that. Got this bad boy right here. I'll demo that soon when I get a chance. All of these are all 200-gram cakes that I plan on doing demos of. I just haven't had a chance. There's a bunch of different ones, all different brands. There's more down there. There's more over there. You got that Euro cake. I haven't seen any demos on YouTube. I'll upload that soon. There's some more cakes over there. Yeah, but I'm going to do the Super 7s and all 3 of these 8-inch shells in a shell comparison soon. And definitely stay tuned. I will post that salute video just as soon as I can get a chance to. Let's see what else we got here. Boy, do those got some weight to those. Woo! Oh, yeah. Very happy to pick those up. I'm going to do some rocket demos soon, too, and some more Roman candles. Got a bunch of different ones down there for you guys. Here we've got Nikishi Kimura. Blink, blink. Take a look at this bad boy. Waited to open these so I could show you guys. Look at that. Let me tell you what, there's some serious weight to these bad boys here. And they're just as big as Thunder Brocade. You got the 36 shot Ultimate right here. Look at that bad boy. Look at those. Look at those. This thing's a monster too. Look at that bad boy right there. The Crown. This thing is a monster. The size of those bores. Here you got Master Opera. Look at that thing. Would you look at the size of these? This one's got some serious weight to it. Don't sleep on any of this stuff, Pyros. I'm telling you what. Over here you got some more 200 gram kegs. I'll try to demo those as soon as I can. Back on the shelf there's a giant 8-inch bowling ball I plan on doing a demo of soon, so bear with me on that. Of course, you know, I got the rest of these master cakes too. I could not pass up on that, and if you guys haven't seen a video of that Rose Bowl, you're going to want to check that out. Got some more loose 500 gram kegs. I tried to get all this a little more organized, Pyros. I had to make a lot of room. There's so many cases of rockets over there, it's ridiculous. Some more 500 grams. I'll do some more demos just as soon as I get a chance. All that is just shells piled up. Here's a lot of these 200 gram cakes that I've been saving for you guys that I want to do demos of, and I haven't seen very many videos of a lot of those, or even a video of this. And then you've got all these other ones over here. There's the clown poster for the giveaway right there. And I got more where that came from. There's some old collectibles of mine. As you can see, Pyros have been adding to my shelf. I got 2 other shelves that I'm going to put up whenever I get a chance, but as you can see, that's all my stuff for my collection, prized possessions there. Got some more rockets and shells I plan on demoing soon. Look at that old bad boy. Monster candles. Those are some real nice rockets over there, those bullets. If you Pyros see any of those, you're going to want to grab them. Alright, Pyros. That's it for me on the stash update. Other than, yeah, this one cake right here, I forgot to show you guys. Master Connecting Wonders. Oh my God, look at this compared to the size of Asian Life Matter. This thing is humongous. Don't sleep on this one either, Pyros. If you like the content, please like, comment, and subscribe.